So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can use 2 pitch hoppers and some cougar paws to climb a roof. Now, he could have a harness on and some other things, but this is how you can use 2 pitch hoppers and walk up a roof like it is nothing. I would think that's a 12-12. I will give a picture of it here shortly, and I will tell you if that's a 12-12 or not, but that's how you can go up a roof with a pitch hoppers. So he's gonna sit there, he can lean down, get the next one, or you can just walk up it with the cougar paws. So this is how you can do it. Don't put them too far apart, and then you can just sit there and literally step up the roof with using pitch hoppers. They're freaking amazing. Look at that, walking up a steep roof with just using pitch hoppers. You could probably put a little cord on them so that they could be tied to each other or something, make it a little bit simpler, but this is how you can walk up a peach roof with pitch hoppers. Do Christmas lights, they said. It'll be fun. Do Christmas lights. It is fun. Then you can just, there you go, walk up and then move up. Perfect. See, that the good thing about that keeps your center of gravity lower. Try to keep your feet flatter too. There you go, it gives you better grip.